What is up, YouTube? My name is Buddy Blues, and today we're looking at the GFI system ORCA, which is a phenomenal delay. I'm going to show you my 2023 pedalboard build if I don't hurt myself here. Look at this. Come on now. And as you can tell, the ORCA made it on the board right away. We've seen GFI system here on the channel before. We did the GFI Rossi, which is an envelope filter, and then they loved the video so much and said, "You are so handsome, we're gonna send you another pedal as a delay, and you're gonna do another review for us."
No one said that.
All right, so no one said that, but sad. So if you're looking to start a YouTube channel, here's how it usually goes. Usually a company sends you a pedal and then they give you a little bit of time for you to mess around with it, right? So that you familiarize with the pedal, not that they send it today and you have to do a review tomorrow. I need to understand the pedal, see if I click with it, because if I don't click with it, I usually send it back, stuff like that, and then I don't end up doing a review instead of doing a negative bashing review. So they give you enough time for you to mess with it. Generally, what I do is I keep those pedals on the side and I play them often as I can between my shows and between videos and stuff like that so that I can learn them and such. This one ended up on the board the same day and I went and I gigged with it. So just like the Rossi, the ORCA delay does everything. It does tape, it does digital, it does the lo-fi thing, it does the ambient thing, it does everything. We're not gonna menu dive too deep, just like the Rossi, otherwise this video will be 4,700 years long, but you can do everything on this pedal. You just heard it in the intro. Now we're going to do a little bit of knob twisties. I'll show you the 4 modes. I'll mess with the time a little bit, some repeats, level. Maybe we'll mess with the modes as well. There's presets. Did I tell you there's presets? There's presets. I'm going to stick with Goldie, the PRS Studio, because I feel like it gives it a nice little oomph, some HSS-ish flavor to it. We can hear it with humbuckers, with single coils. Fender Supersonic 22. Let's get to it. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you have now heard the GFI system ORCA delay. Told you it was really good. Told you to wait for this review. The way I've set up mine is I've got a digital delay that's just clean, like that good 80s type delay, if you will, like in a solo and stuff like that. And then when I hit the preset button, it takes me right away to the more ambient stuff, the one that they call diffuse. That's some good stuff, people. Okay, if this is your first time on the channel, welcome. If it's not, welcome back. Consider subscribing. We just started a new series called the How To series, where I teach you how to use pedals, teach you how to use stuff like that, stuff on your guitar, stuff on your amps. It's going to be a series that I would like to take throughout 2023 until I run out of ideas or I die. We just did the first one, the overdrive one, and I think the next one is going to be fuzz by request because everybody says, please do a fuzz next. So we're going to do a fuzz next, people, and it's probably going to be this one here. You've seen it before on the channel, but I'm going to use it as a staple of a fuzz. So please consider subscribing. Share this video if you enjoyed it, because if we reach more people, YouTube will think that people actually care about this face and the algorithm would push the video. And if the algorithm pushes the video, it encourages me to keep going and it helps the channel out a lot to keep going because none of this stuff is cheap, okay? Okay. I have been Buddy Blues. You have been the people of the blues. Until next time, thank you for watching.